They say that the heavily ESN don't come outside though. As they can send this message, give anybody where we say they don't want Igbo land to be at peace. They say this time around, the like say they go come outside bush, come the what is where they happen for inside Biafra because it done too much. As that one they happen, they said that all those people where they claim say they be ESN. He said this time around, now them be ESN. When Mazen they call creator. This one, he said the whole people where be said that they carry gun for inside the Biafra land. He said this time around they go know who be who. My people, we'll go find out how this thing they start to. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today are the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still there here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. If you know say you never give this channel a follow, may you quickly do so and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, my people, let's jump into the matter where we get for our hand. They say the men of ESN, Eastern Security Network, created by Mazen and Carlo, they say that as they celebrate their 3rd year anniversary, they don't still come outside again, come send message, give the people where we say that they use their name, they do some kind things for inside Biafra land. And they don't come talk say all the whole thing where they happen, say they are watching, say nah, at time don't reach where they go enter inside street too and go make sure say everywhere they cool. You know, they not stop there. They also went ahead and said that the Nigeria police and army, he say he done too much for them, and for this time around, they go collect woto. My people, let's play the video. May you watch. May not be like saying that we they talk everything.
Nation, oh Fatherland is the absolute pledge. Defending thee shall be our dedication. Spilling our blood, we can no!
ESN, ESN, protect Biafra land.
ESN.
3rd anniversary speech from the Eastern Security Network, ESN Central Command. Biafra worldwide and all the lovers of freedom. We the ESN Central Command ask you all to join us in the celebration of our 3rd anniversary in this month of December 2023. Eastern Security Network is an indigenous security outfit founded by the Biafra leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and IPOP. Our mission is to protect the people of the southeastern region against invading Fulani herdsmen and Nigerian murderous security agents sponsored by the Nigerian government. Our message is very clear, and it goes to the Fulani herdsmen and Mieti Ana sponsors parading around Anambra, Imo, and the Delta State, especially those destroying our agricultural produce, killings, raping our women, girls in Biafra territory, and disturbing road users with their cows. ESN shall execute the necessary plans to make sure the Fulani herdsmen parading in this state are dislodged and completely wiped away in our farmland and forests. Again, this warning goes to the Anambra Vigilante Group, AVG, who are mandated by the state government to illegally abduct and extrajudicially killing members of IPOP within the state. The illegal abduction of suspected Biafra sympathizers and IPOP members within Anambra and Imo states have taken another level since the abduction of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, and we demand the immediate release of all those IPOP members illegally abducted in Anambra and other Biafra states, or they must be brought to court if they committed any crime than detaining them indefinitely. Nigeria should respect their appeal court order and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu immediately. Also, they must release all those Biafrans and IPOP members who have been discharged and acquitted by their own court of law. Failure to do so, it shall lead to a total unprecedented unrest in Nigeria. Furthermore, this is a final warning to criminals, cash snatchers, syndicates, and kidnappers operating in Anambra State, Awka North, Anambra South, and Olu Aziz, using the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ESN, and IPOB in their criminal businesses. They must desist from crime and vacate from the state. They must also stop tarnishing the image of this hollow Biafra restoration movement. We have identified all their political and traditional godfathers, sponsoring them within the state, and we shall pay them a visit to tell them that crime do not stay forever. They say, when injustice becomes law, resistance becomes duty. ESN,
Protect Biafra land.
ESN,
Protect Biafra land.
protect Biafra land.
ESN.
If it's not for IT, only tell me where do I.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch this video, I beg, as we do one for here, some video we go bring and come up and will allow you, may you contribute, talk, tell us what you think for this video where you don't watch now. Leave your own contribution in the comment section, and other way the message say you hit the share button now to share this video so that other people go see them and hear what in the happen. Right now, some people come they ask us so many questions, say what of Simon Ekwa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in Nigeria, where they say the ones where you get na ESM, now they be Biafra Liberation Army. Some people come they talk say, this one na the ESM when na the Cali get. For this matter, we not gonna know what they go on. I beg, may you let us know your own contribution for inside comment section as you dey hot, and share the video so that other people go still see and contribute. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for the next update as you dey hot.